Welcome students. We are discussing pair of linear equations chapter in two variables. So in this class we will learn about elimination method. So what is elimination method? So what is the meaning of elimination? So elimination method means, so in this method one variable is eliminated out of two variables by making the coefficients of that variable equal in both the equations. So in elimination method, so what we have to do? We have to eliminate one variable. One variable is eliminated out of the two variables by making the coefficients of that variable equal in both the equations. So we have to eliminate any one of the variable in the given pair of linear equation. Let us see the example. So let us take the example x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6. So here two equations are given, so which is nothing but pair of linear equation. So here we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Let us see the coefficients. Here the coefficient of y is 1, the first equation, and the coefficient of y is also 1 in the second equation. So we can eliminate the variable y, because if you add, so while adding what happens? So if you add, you can eliminate these two variables very easily. Let us add. So what happens? While adding, here we can eliminate this plus y and minus y, we can cancel it very easily. Now 1x plus 1x is 2x. Next 2 plus 6 is 8. Then afterwards we will solve the value of x. So x is equal to 8 by 2. So that is equal to, so 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Then we will substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. Then we will substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. Then we will find the value of y. So this method is called elimination method. So in this elimination method, one variable is eliminated. So here the variable is, here two variables are there in the equation. One is nothing but x variable, another one is nothing but y variable. So in these two variables, any one of the variable is eliminated. Then after the elimination, then we will put this value. After eliminating the one of the variable, we will find the another variable, and the another variable value is substituted to the any one of the equation, and we will find the remaining variable. So this method is called elimination method. Solve by elimination method. So we will solve these two equations. X plus y is equal to 14, then x minus y is equal to 4. So in these equations, the variable y have opposite sign. See, the variable y have opposite sign. So in the first equation, so take this as equation 1. So this is equation 1. Then here this is equation 2. Let us take this as equation 2. So here in these two equations, what happens? The value of y is here, the value of y is in the first equation is plus, and value of y in the second equation is minus. So if opposite signs are there, so we can eliminate the one of the variable. So we can cancel any one of the variable. So in these equations, the variable y have opposite sign. So if opposite sign is there in the two equations, so we can cancel the variable very easily. So what happens? So write the equation x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. So if we cancel, what happens? We can cancel this plus y and minus y. While adding, what happens? This 1x plus 1x, which gives us to 2x. So this is 2x, which is equal to, so here we can get, sorry, this is not equation, this is 4. So here we can cancel plus y and minus y. So we will get 2x is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Then what is x? X is equal to 18 by 2, which is equal to 9. So we got the value of x is equal to 9. So this is not 9, this is 4. So consider this as 4. Now we got the value of x. Now we have to put value of x is equal to 9 in any one of the above equations. So let us take equation 1. So take the equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 14. So the value of x is 9, y is equal to 14. Then transpose 9 to RHS. So it becomes minus 9. So 14 minus 9 is 5. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 5, x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 5 are the variables. So y is equal to 5. Now we can check whether the given answer is correct or not. So we have calculated the value of x and y. So here x plus y is equal to 14. So the value of x is 9. 9 plus 5. So which gives rise to how much? 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So this is the first equation now. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So this answer is correct. Therefore x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. 5 are the correct answer. Then we will get equation 1, which is equal to x plus y is equal to 14. This is how we can verify our answer with the given equation.